simultaneous equation, we use substitution method. Let's see how we can solve it using elimination method. Now this is the same equation, 2x minus y equals to 4, 3x plus y equals to 11, equation 1, equation 2. But we want to use elimination method instead of substitution method. So in elimination method, you look for a way to add or subtract the first equation from the second equation. Now from this example, we add equation 1 and equation 2 to eliminate y. If you look at this very well now, you see that if we add the first one and the second one, this y will be eliminated because this minus y plus y will give us 0, and we'll be left with the addition of this and the addition of this to give us only the value for x. Now if we add 4 plus 11, this is equation 1 and equation 2, 4 plus 11, it will give us 15. Minus y plus y will give us 0. Therefore y is being eliminated. That is why it is called elimination method. We now have 2x plus 3x to give us 5x. Now x equals to 3, that is 15 divided by 5 will give us 3. Now you can now substitute 3 for x in any of the equation, but let's use equation 1. So from equation 1, we now have 6 minus y equals to 4, and y will be equals to 2, that is minus y equals to 4 minus 6. Minus y will give us minus 6. Sorry for the mix up. We substitute 3 for x in equation 1. Look at equation 1. 2x minus y equals to 4. Since we have x equals to 3, we now replace this x with 3 here. This is equation 1. Now we now have 2 times 3 here, which will give us 2 times 3 here will give us 6. Now from here, from this equation 1 here, we now have 6 minus y equals to 4. Look at it here, 6 minus y equals to 4. Now we now take this 6 to this side to give us minus y equals to 4 minus 6. You know it's plus here. Now we have minus y equals to 4 minus 6, which is minus 2. Minus will cancel minus, y equals to 2. Now the solution will give us x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. Now let's look at more example. Solve the simultaneous equation 2x plus 5y equals to 1, 3x minus 2y equals to 30. Now this is the first equation, 2x plus 5y equals to 1. The second equation, 3x minus 2y equals to 30, equation 2. Now here we are going to use elimination method. So we eliminate one of the unknown. Don't forget that the unknown here now is x and y. So we want to look for a way to eliminate either x or y. So to eliminate one of the unknown, you have to make the coefficient of one of the unknown to be equal. Look for a way to make the coefficient to be the same. Let's, for example, now this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now from this equation 1 and equation 2, we want to make the coefficient of x to be the same. So we want to make the coefficient of x to be 6 and 6. So we multiply this by 3, we multiply this by 2. So we multiply the whole equation by the 3, we multiply the whole equation by 2 here. So we multiply the whole equation by 3 here, we have 6x times 15y times 3 to give us another equation. and we multiply this other equation by 2 to give us 6x here minus 4y, that is 2 times 2y, equals to 62 times 30. So since we have the coefficient of one of the unknown as the same value, the same number, we now either subtract or add. So if we subtract 6 minus 6 here, now it will give us 0 to eliminate this. So therefore we subtract this from this from this, this from this. 3 minus 60 will give us minus 57. 15y minus 4 will give us 19y. Don't forget that minus will give us 4, will give us plus, sorry. So 15y minus 4 will give us 15 plus 4, which will give us 19y equals to minus 57. From here we divide both sides by 19, y equals to minus 3. Now, since we have been able to eliminate x and we have the value of y as minus 3, we now substitute minus 3 for y in equation 1. Don't forget you can use any of the equation, but let's use the equation 1 now. Now we have 2s plus, instead of 5y, we now have 5 times minus 3 equals to 1. 2x minus 15 plus 5 times minus 3 will give us minus 15. 2s minus 15 equals to 1. We collect like terms, that is, you take this 15 minus 15 to this side to give us plus 15. So we have 2s equals to 1 plus 15, which is 16. X equals to 8. Now the whole equation now gives us x equals to 8 and the y equals to minus 3. If we check it by putting in the value, 2s plus 5y equals to 16 minus 15 equals to 1, 3s minus 2y equals to 24, minus equals to 30. That is just a rough check. Let's look at another example.